exciting stuff. Nick joining us now, and don't forget, tomorrow the state is going to test local alert systems to make sure everyone can get messages during weather emergencies.
Yeah, and these are important alerts to get. I can understand if you may get a lot of them tomorrow and be tempted to turn them off, but please don't. You never know when you'll need them, especially in the middle of the night. Just get through tomorrow, see how things work. It's a good thing for the state to be doing here tomorrow, but keep those alerts on because we may need them sooner rather than later. We've got some storms already developing here to the west of us, as they have been for the last few hours. This broken line of storms is actually coming together rather nicely. There's localized severe storms as well. Tornado warning up near Oklahoma City right now. We're not expecting a tornado threat here, but a marginally severe storm may creep into the hill country once we get past midnight. Computer models have started to trend slightly wetter and farther south with some of the rain, which is the opposite of what they were doing yesterday. But it does give us a little more hope for some beneficial rain to get more of us, at least a quarter inch by midday tomorrow. Here's 2 a.m. Storms creeping into the hill country between about 2 and 3. These may be severe at the onset as they move into Mason, San Saba counties, possibly Llano and Lampasas counties as well. And then the rain starts to expand somewhat as it moves through the hill country. Locally heavy rain, a possibility. Damaging wind, can't rule that out either. And then as we get closer to daybreak and into the morning commute, storms arriving during that morning commute through our metro counties. I'm talking 6 to 8, 6 to 9 in the morning. And the trend has been a little farther south into a little more of Hays County. There may still be some of you in our southernmost counties that miss out on some of this heavier stuff that may miss you just to the north, but it still looks like many of us will at least get some downpours and storms through the morning. They'll start to pull into our eastern counties toward the end of the morning. Then in the afternoon, just a couple of spotty showers and sprinkles around. Severe weather threat hasn't changed late tonight into early tomorrow morning. It's focused on Mason and San Saba counties, a little bit of Llano and Lampasas counties. Some large hail and damaging wind would be the primary concerns in those counties, although I wouldn't rule out some gustier wind making it a little farther east than that. Not expecting a tornado. Flash flooding threat is localized. There's been a slight shift in the last couple of hours to the east with the marginal 1 out of 4 severe weather risk into portions of Williamson County. Otherwise, this isn't changed from earlier. 2 out of 4 risk still into the northwestern hill country, where we could see 1 to 2 inches plus of rain. A quarter inch to an inch for many of us, and some of that new data has allowed me to now include the city of Austin in the slightly higher, yet still bearable quarter inch to an inch of rain, but those southern and eastern counties still thinking many of you may miss out on reaching a quarter inch of rain. So morning showers and storms tomorrow, drying out for the afternoon with some sun as we get up to 85 degrees, but we're not done yet. A couple of spotty sprinkles around on Friday, but another storm lines up for Saturday with a strong cold front. That cold front's going to focus the rain and storms over central Texas, especially Saturday afternoon and evening, with just a few lingering showers in our southern counties on Easter Sunday. So rain chances Friday are low at 20%. They're high on Saturday at 70%, especially later in the day. Then our cold front comes in, cools us into the 60s for Easter Sunday, with a few lingering showers in the morning. Now Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, mostly dry, a sun-cloud mix, just a low 10% rain chance with highs in the 70s. We'll be watching the weather through the night just in case a severe storm bubbles up.